mid-caps now that are providing more opportunity over some of the other equities?
That's a great question. I mean, for us, it's really just the balance of the growth opportunity. We also like margin expansion, but we also balance that with reasonable valuations. And it's really those three dynamics that are really making the mid-caps kind of float up to the top for us.
In terms of specific names, one of the stocks that you hold is Ford. Profits are supposed to be depressed this year, so why own it now?
Actually, we kind of feel we kind of put it in this category of, you said, a stock picker's market. We call it the slave of the 12-month price target. Given the fact that they reduced their outlook for 2014, you have to come back and ask yourself, why did they do that? And they did it because they have a very strong vehicle launch product. Launches in 2015. And so those are actually, that's depressing earnings, but that's actually a good depression as far as we're concerned. And so we're really thinking of, let's take the advantage of the pullback in the stock today caused by the reduction in earnings and the idea that you'll be paid back in 2015 when the vehicles are being sold.
I feel like Alan Mulally is one of those CEOs who gets more headlines than others. Obviously, he's decided to stay at Ford, but probably not for too much longer. They have a transition in place. Do you have any concern at all about when he exits and new management takes over?
No, we don't. I think he's put in a very good long-term plan. I think he's gotten the One Ford thing up and running, and there's obviously a lot of buy-in. So we're very comfortable with that. I think he's really trained a very good management team. And it's never just one person.
Right, right. Another manufacturer you like is Eaton.
Yes.
One of the reasons you like it is a global growth story. But when you look at how the stock has performed, it outperformed the S&P 500 last year. Has that been priced in already? How much more room does a stock like Eaton have to go? What else is going to drive it higher? You
know, actually, we put Eaton in what we call the self-help, or in control of their own destiny. And from there, it's really their margin expansion or the synergies that they're getting. We got into Eaton from an investment we had in Cooper Industries, and it's really just the synergies that they're going to get from that acquisition. You know, their segment profits are around 15%. They're going to 17%. So we do feel that there's still a lot more to go there.